Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my kitchen. On holidays like Thanksgiving, nobody wants to get involved in cooking a big breakfast, but you still gotta eat, so why not make it special? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick, simple, easy, and very tasty Thanksgiving breakfast treat that can feed a house full of people with only a few simple ingredients. Are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my fall spiced biscuit blossoms, the ingredients I'll be using are butter, if using a nonstick muffin pan, or butter flavor cooking spray if using an old school aluminum pan. 2 16-ounce cans of refrigerated flaky biscuit dough, I am using butter flavor, 1 cup of pumpkin, a half a cup of Splenda, or regular sugar is fine, 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 3/4 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice. And for my topping ingredients, I'll be using 4 tablespoons of castor sugar and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. The first step is to heat up our oven, get our muffin tin ready, separate our biscuit dough, and mix up our filling. Now, this is a great recipe if the kids or grandkids want to help because there's a lot that they can do and it's fun. If using an old school tin like this one, spray with nonstick butter flavor cooking spray. If using a nonstick muffin tin, use paper towel and butter to coat each muffin cup. Next, separate each biscuit into 3 approximately equal parts. Do your best, but it doesn't have to be exact. Special note, I don't recommend piling the pieces so high like I did. The weight of them will make them stick together, as you'll see later in the video. Now it's time to make the filling. Blend together all of the filling ingredients except the melted butter, making sure that the spice is completely incorporated. Then add the melted butter and whisk well until the color starts to lighten a bit, indicating you've whisked in some air. Now we're going to assemble our muffins in the muffin tin. Again, it doesn't have to be exact, just have fun with it. Place 1 piece of biscuit in each muffin cup, partially covering the bottom and going up the side. Repeat with all of the cups. Then add 1 rounded teaspoon of filling to the bottom of the cup and spread with the back of your spoon. Repeat this process, biscuit piece then filling, then biscuit piece, then filling, etc. until all of your biscuit pieces are gone. You should have 4 biscuit pieces layered in each cup with filling in between each piece, finishing with filling on the top. The cups may look overfilled, but that's okay. Now it's time to make our sugar cinnamon topping, and to do that, I'm going to show you how to make very fine castor sugar, which can be expensive and hard to find. But we're going to make it at home for free. Check this out. In the US, castor sugar can be hard to find and it costs almost twice as much as granulated sugar. I'm going to show you how to make it with a food processor, blender, or coffee spice grinder. I'm using my Ninja blender. This is just regular granulated sugar from the market. I add a half a cup to my Ninja and pulse, pulse, pulse for no more than 6 to 8 pulses. If you do too many, you'll end up with powdered sugar, and that's just not what we're looking for. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon to 4 tablespoons of castor sugar and stir together well. If you happen to have an extra shaker bottle like I do, it makes it easy to top your muffins. But if you don't, just use a spoon and sprinkle the top of your muffins with the mixture. Now these are ready for the oven. We're going to bake them for 15 to 18 minutes at 375 degrees, but check them at 15 minutes for doneness. Once the muffins are done, allow them to cool slightly, maybe around 5 minutes, before you remove them from the tin. Once your blossoms are done baking, they should look like this, golden brown on the top and bottom. This is where buttering or spraying the pan really pays off because they come out so easily. Now it's time to take a look at our results. But first, thank you for watching, And thank you for your kind wishes and prayers for all of us here that got affected by COVID. We're feeling way better now, and we're really, really excited to be back making videos again for you. These muffins are beautiful and they smell absolutely amazing. They're so easy to make, and you can double or triple the recipe if you end up with a big crowd. I got to try one of these right now. Now, if you can open your mouth far enough, you can take a big bite, but these are actually made to be a pull apart. So, oh, oh, that's good. Oh, really good. Oh, man. Oh, my. This is a perfect, easy Thanksgiving breakfast treat that'll bring smiles all around your table where family is built. Because if you feed them, they will come.